Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. Very excited to offer you guys a gorgeous 2008 Porsche Carrera S with 21,000 original and documented miles. This is a local trade-in, has been serviced here locally at the Porsche dealership. Car has nearly $20,000 worth of services. That does include parts, labor over the last few years. Just had a major service done at 19,000 miles. Spark plugs, belts, all fluids. Near new P0 tires all the way around. Just had a final service less than 600 miles ago with a full check over, synthetic fluids, flawless Carfax history, clean and clear title, Sport Chrono, very, very highly optioned Carrera S. Our facility here at Davis AutoSports did our full paint correction service on this car. If you're unfamiliar with that, it's about a 4-day process. If you go to a paint correction facility that is capable of doing the service on a black vehicle, you'll pay anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000. Essentially, it's a multiple step process of different wet sands, high-speed compound polishes and buffs and seals, and the end result speaks for itself. Matching P0 tires all the way around. Wheels are in phenomenal condition. Beautiful, beautiful car. Ended the paint correction with a Wolfgang sealant. As beautiful as this car is, no damage. Please expect some very minor wear with any vehicle that is pre-owned. It is a 08. We are shooting this in 4K. If you have not been watching this in 4K, I highly suggest you stop the video, play from the beginning, let it buffer and load up if need be. The only thing to nitpick on this entire car is with any low black car, you're going to get a few very, they are as small as can be, some paint chips on the front. Nothing big. You got to get up close to see them. The entire bottoms of the rockers are protected as well. The brake calipers have zero paint fading or peeling. Inside is equally impressive. I would easily classify this interior as flawless. Both keys, all the books, all the manuals, all the tools, inflated system up front. Factory floor mats are perfect. Smoke-free car. Cigarette lighter has never been used. Alcantara headliner. Every single component inside, from heated seats, power windows, power mirrors, everything works absolutely as it should. All the buttons are, as you see, flawless. Your cup holders both work perfect. Interior has 0 odors. Like I mentioned earlier, it is a non-smoked vehicle. Usually our reconditioning department spends a lot of time preparing cars to put up on the market. This one was, I mean, the interior, we literally probably spent about 30 minutes on it. Paint correction is a standard procedure that we do, especially on high-end vehicles, more so on black and dark vehicles. No matter how much the previous owner took care of this, between cleaning it, waxing it, garage kept, there is no way possible to get a absolutely perfect shine, no swirl mark finish on a black vehicle unless you paint correct it. We have a lot of guys in the region that bring us their high-end exotics on an annual basis, sometimes even brand new cars, to get orange peel out of the new cars, and annual paint corrections on their exotics. Anytime that you wash a car, microfiber rag, doesn't matter what it is, you're going to put very slight swirl marks in it. This black car, you can pretty much get it out in the sun and it'll look absolutely perfect. I do want to make sure you guys are clear that paint correction only has a change on the clear coat. If there's a rock chip or anything that is through the clear coat, it does nothing to that. It's a procedure to take a very, very slight layer of clear coat off, and with multiple steps bringing that new finish back to life. I mean, this car drives beautiful, hands off the steering wheel. Just a perfect driving car. Both keys, books, manuals, as new as a 08 Porsche you're going to find. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to contact us at 855-955-3377. Thank you.